I think that should work. Let's see. I'm just gonna no lag. Oh, okay, good. So I have a lot of things to do today. Among others, I've created a little bit of a to-do list, and I'm planning to do this for every stream, so I can like save my progress and stuff just for fun. So today the plan is to fix the gravity issue we had yesterday. I already looked at it a bit before starting stream, and I think I already know what this issue is, so that should be easy. I'm also gonna start to fix the aligning player to ground, so if you're like walking on a slope, you'll have your vector of movement be aligned to the slope instead of like doing something where it's always going forward and then we're adding a massive downwards force even when you're grounded, because that seems kind of weird. I just turn on music on my end. There we go. And then also start work on collisions. I know there's this. I used this method a while ago, which is basically called collide and slide. I'll probably be using something similar again, though I'll probably start to changing it a bit to what I need, because when I used it earlier I didn't really know what I needed, so I just kind of grabbed something and it worked okay, but there were still some things left to be desired. I just put it that way. All right, so let's go to the main screen here. Yeah, let's see. I've added some stuff here as well. You know, there's a chat now as well. There. Let's see if I type something in chat. Test, enter, and wow, would you look at that? There it is, above me. And also that direction, I think, right? Yeah. Yeah, like this. Is the to-do list. I just added it there as well. Those are really the main changes I made. All right, so to reiterate, or also the like some just textures. I haven't scaled them or anything. It's just there. Earlier we had this issue where you know, jumping is way too powerful. Also, if I just hold space, it just goes forever, which definitely is an issue. I'll look into that as well. But first of all, yeah, this is the issue here. We're scaling the change in the vertical magnitude with time, but then we're just adding all of the vertical magnitude, and without doing like a tiny little time thing, which is a massive amount. So we need to do this here. Multiplied by time dot time. That should just fix it, honestly. Let's see. So new issue, I guess. It's not very responsive. Let's see. Okay, so ground. Equal to jump power. And I think I should be setting jump power here already to something. Yeah, 5. Let's set it to something higher, see what happens. Oh wait, am I know what's happening. Let's do this actually. Machine dot vertical magnitude. Oh. Let's do this as well. There we go. That should probably be correct, right? I think I also boosted the jump speed a bunch, but okay. That is a start. Let's start by looking at just changing some values. That's gonna change something. Jump power, that's gonna be a 5, first of all. What happens? Okay, so that's at least, I don't know. What if I just crank the gut strength to like 20? Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's just double check what the gravity deduct even does. Gut strength is here, and then it's never used here. Okay, good. Ground. It's not really used here at all. And here, let's see. That's walking, that's the wrong one. Idle. No, that's also the wrong one. Air, there we go. Let's just move this here so we have the, both of those next to each other. This was a true set machine. What if I just do this? Just to be sure, just to be safe, you know. Can never go wrong doing this. I just don't really trust. Yeah, that doesn't really change anything. So vertical magnitude, state machine, gravity strength times time. All right. Am I basically? Let's just do this 0.5. Am I just kind of double dipping on something here? This is really weird feeling. Oh my god. Hello. I can see. Comment now. Look at that. Look at that. Comments are available. You should try. I think you've already. I hope you've already followed, bro. But I actually have messages now, like the icon and stuff. You probably have to subscribe something though to see that. But yeah, you can try it out. You know, there should even be like a sound effect and stuff. It'll appear above the top there. Fuck's it? Kumik One Raid. Who is this Kumik? I see people using him also. And by people I mean Tonda as well. Okay, this feels wrong. Like, look at this. This doesn't seem correct, right? Boing. I just have to up the gravity, I think. So let's remove this. There we go. And let's remove this as well. This doesn't really do anything. Player gravity strength, that's 50, baby. Wait, like let's say 92 actually, because it's like 98. I mean 9.82 is the. Let's see what happens if how. Okay, I mean this feels better, I'd say. I think gravity needs to still be higher and jumping needs to be more powerful. So this is all just about finding. Why is my number so weird for gravity strength? Because it feels like it shouldn't be this small somehow. Like I'm removing. No, it's because it's not. What the fuck is? What even is that? Almost worked. Almost worked. But like jump power, let's say 8. Okay, let's test this. See what happens. I mean, I don't like how it's so bouncy in a weird way. Like, it just doesn't feel right somehow. Do I? Oh, there it goes. Wait, why didn't it work the first time? Oh, it wasn't. You had the arm as well. You need the arm separate, I guess. Who is that guy? Oh. This doesn't feel right. Boing. Like, look at this. Yeah, the point fucked it up. Okay. What if less gravity? Let's just test that for now. This feels wrong somehow. Okay, I have an idea. What if I make gravity stronger? 180. Second screen privilege, nice. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be streaming for like 5 hours or something, depending on how. If I actually fix my to-do list, I'm gonna stop, but I probably won't do it today, all of it. So, okay, this is gonna be the classic one. So, on update, I'm gonna remove this one because I used it for debugging earlier. So, if this should be a boolean, it's called like jump or something. Jump pressed. And there should also be a counter. Let's see, should the counter be here? Oh no, let's do it like this, I think. If and press. Okay. Let's create a counter here. Int. What the fuck are... Oh, the Doge mask. Int, let's say jump counter. There we go. So roughly it should be like once every 60 every second. Jump count. And when you enter the state, jump count equals 60, sure. And let's see, count. Oh. Is more than 0. All right. Could I? No, I shouldn't do that. No. All right. Let's do that. So now, probably, if you hold, let's see, if you hold jump, so that's a short hop, that's a, oh, let's see, so that's a hold jump, I get up to like, oh, there, yeah, like it's noticeably shorter, that's nice, that's nice. But I think I need stronger gravity somehow, anyways. Like, why is my gravity so high though? Why does it need to be so high? Yeah, that makes sense, right? Just gonna check some old code I have here. Ground state, no. Air state, I think. Here I clamp it to 18. Convert magnitude 18. Why am I... Why is it so much higher? Let's just see here. Vertical magnitude, applied movement plus gravity direction. Vertical magnitude. Is it? Ah, wait. Is this the issue? So this is the reason probably. Oh wait, it shouldn't be, because I'm just setting it to equal itself plus this basically. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, that's weird. Alright, it's like... Does this feel good enough right now? It's gonna be... I am not looking forward to like balancing the jump to feel good. It's gonna be a massive pain. Is it because it's like sticking to the ground maybe? What if I actually made jump power like 4 and this like 150? This honestly feels better. Uh, 100. There we go. Okay, new idea. Make this higher and we also make this slightly... Ooh, how should I do this? If... Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this actually. There we go. I'll just add this. It doesn't look as clean anymore, but fuck it, you know. There. And then we do this. State trigger strength times of time. So we still have gravity when we're jumping at start, but we lose it less fast. And then we lose it faster when we stop the jumping. Okay. Good start. Let's make the gravity a bit stronger by 50%. So confusing. Let's see, that's the one, and that's the one. There you go. And that works, I guess. Just that, like, collisions doesn't actually work. Ooh. I wonder if I do this. There we go. Okay. So I want to be able to, like, just touch jump slightly and do like a little hop. Okay, that's a little hop. If I hold it, that's kind of a pathetic hop, honestly. Okay. Let's multiply it by like 0.2 instead. Let's see what happens. I should probably not spend all of my peak coding. Yeah, thank you. Oh my god, fucking yeah. I should not spend all of my time just like trying to make jumping good, like now. That is an insane waste of time. Let's see. Ooh. But like this is fine. Feels like I'm really heavy though. I'll turn it down a little bit. Okay, this is the last change I'm gonna make unless it feels awful, and then I'm gonna start actually, you know, doing correct things that I should be doing. Oh, it feels so weird though when you're holding space. Or does it actually feel weird? Does it just look weird? Honestly, that's fine. That's fine. Fuck it. I'm leaving it. Alright. Should I mark it off as done, actually? Fixed gravity issue. Done. Perfect. And then we're moving on to aligning plate to the ground. Actually, let's do one more thing before that. Align movement to camera. There we go. Oh, now we can't see the rest. Oh well. Oh wait, fuck. That's. There we go. There we are. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little look over. I have this this massive project from where I did like at uni. Where I got a bunch of actually pretty useful methods. I'm just gonna look at what forward normalized, came out in horizontal. All right. So in the machine, I'm thinking, because we're doing this here to make it easier for myself. Let's create a. I'm gonna first of all move this up a bit. There we go. Make this public so I can call it from the others. Public void cam relative align. I think that's how we spell align. All right. I guess it should take a input and give an output. Is that how I want to do it? Or should I just, because right here I'm just like doing this, bum bum bum. No, I should actually do that probably. Yeah, camera through a line, and that's a vector free align. I'm calling that one public void. No, it's vector free. Vector free. There we go. All right, so. Relative alignment, and we return that. There we go. So something between here has to happen. Look at my old code. I move forward not normalized. Okay, move forward, which I had in my old code, seems to just be what I used as a, yeah, I used a camera orientation. Yep. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I have that camera rotation there, yeah. Oh wait, wrong order. Okay, so we're gonna have to make the y0 here. Normalize. Not yet. No, not yet. Dot y. Yeah, like that. Because that's the. And then the run. Wait. Is it that direction? Is it? Well, let's see if what happens for now. I think it should not cam forward though. Let me scroll up here on my old little notes. Yeah. Should I normalize it? Because I'm normalizing all the noise. Can I do it here? Like, not normalized? That would probably work, I think. Multiplied by pre-align dot z and x, yeah. Is this gonna be correct? We'll see. We'll see. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You know? Okay. So the reason I'm doing this here public is because last time I did this, I had it like always in the update, which makes sense sometimes because you think that, oh, I want to do it every time, right? But for example, when I did my sliding thing, I wanted it to not be exactly equal. So I had to do a bunch of extra random ass, like multiply it by a second vector just when you're sliding, and that was really annoying. So I'm just gonna call it, even if I have to do it multiple times now, like in air, in ground, in idle, in walking, in base, like all of them. I prefer that because then I can more easily remove it when I need to. Okay, now the question is, at what point do I align it? So I feel like I'm gonna end up having a pre-align and a post-align vector. But if I align and a vector is already aligned, will it do any difference? Will it actually change anything? It would, right? Yeah, it would. Okay, so I probably should do like invest it here. Actually, no, I don't have to. I can do this actually. Session plus, and then I just do this here. Let's see what's called again. It was called relative align. Like that. Skadoosh. Boom. Is that's what I'm doing everywhere actually when I think about it. Yeah, so I just copy this here. Is it correct? Yes. Remove you. Walking air. Okay, those are like the only ones actually relevant right now. Yeah, look at that. Okay, I need to fix the mouse being everywhere. Isn't that like a... Yeah, cursor lock state. Is it like a... Is it include automatically? I have to include this? No, I don't have to include it. I'm just gonna try to copy this over and see if it just instantly works, and if it does, I'm happy. Machine, and that should be in awake. Oh. It's mouse related, I'm gonna do it here. There we go. This is gonna... Yeah, look at that. Alright. Oh, what the fuck happened there? So now I have this thing where like I'm jumping. Wait. Oh. Oh yeah, right and left doesn't really work. Oh, that's an issue. Let's see. I remember this, I think. There we go. Yeah. I shouldn't have that one. For the X, I don't move forward, right? I move to the right, so I should have... Is that gonna work? Okay, back and forth. Right, left. Yeah. This is basically a game. Honestly. Give this to Howard, he would release it. 16 times the gravity. Let's create a sprinting state just for fun. Wait, did I actually align it now? Oh, okay, that's easy. Done. Alright, new script. Let's just add more states here. Sprint. For now, it's just gonna be quite a simple state. Walking. I don't like it. No, I'm gonna rename it. Not sprint, sprinting. I don't like that. It's different. Actually, no. I'll rename walking instead. Rename walk. Then I can cut the sprinting, walking, idling, grounded from all of them. Let's see. Walk. Let's go do that. And this should fuck up the library as well, I think, right? Yep. We're changing as well. Walk. Walk. And that should also fuck up this one. Yeah. This is why you don't do these things. Or do them early. I don't think I mentioned it there. No. Not there. No. Round. No. And in the machine. The machine. Nope, nothing there. Okay, good. That should be it. Let's just double check it's still working. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. And while I'm at it, in the machine, let's just say that in the ground check, this is equal to it transform, but it has to be plus the capsule is the same size as the player, right? Let's see, for now at least. Yeah. Yeah. It should be correct for now. Plus capsule collider height divided by 2. Huh? Oh. Dot precision. Oh. Like that? Oh. There we go. That should probably work. What I'm doing here is setting player position to point of contact. There we go. Because I noticed now, sometimes earlier, I would sink slightly through the floor before it actually hits the first. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's the issue I was expecting. Let's just add this. Let's see if that solves it. What's happening there is I'm not actually getting off the ground graph. What the fuck do you want now? Oh. I'm gonna do this. I do love me some parentheses. Is this gonna work? Yeah. Okay. What? Should I move the ground check after active, maybe? Or should I split this, perhaps? That doesn't work either. Okay. So what's the hit? What is this? Is it like give me the position of the object or something for the hit? Okay, actually before I do that. Oops. Yep. What's this thing's coordinates? Okay, so if I change these like, oh, there we go. What happens? Yep. That's what the issue is. Okay. Can I get the world coordinates for a hit? I'm gonna Google that. Cast hit. Hit dot point. Oh, okay, that's expensive. Hit dot point. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna move this. Let's just no. We change one thing at a time. Change one thing at a time. Yeah, that's fine. Now we kind of automatically, yeah, see, automatically got like the walking up slopes correctly. Walking down is gonna be the issue now. Yeah, here's also an issue. I wonder if we could like at some point I might add a way to, oh well. Okay, so let's just mark this as change in future to avoid taking on top of object. Because the issue now is, you know, you can see it earlier. You walk into this thing here, bam, and you go poof. So it probably would be, yeah, and the reason I don't go through here is because the point I'm looking down is actually the middle of the character. So there we go. Oh, I actually thought of something. I want to try this. There, and then we 180. Okay, there we go. Because right now, let's just check if like the gravity thing actually works. And first things first, we move the ground check to the start again. Okay, yeah, this still seems to work, even with the ground check moved. Perfect. I'm holding down shift to see if I could sprint. I can't yet, I haven't added that. Now, let's see here. Up direction is currently this. What if I flip gravity? So now up is down. So I should be falling upwards. Let's see. Yeah. Look at that. Now the thing I'm thinking about here, what should I rotate? Should I rotate the camera holder and the... I don't want to rotate the player, right? Or do I? Actually, what if I... What happens if I rotate the player itself? Let's just do it in update for now. Play position dot transform dot rotation equals isn't it like this? I fucking oh no, it's right. Euler. Okay. So can I just do this and say well, why can't I? Oh, it has to be. Wait, what? Up. Oh, it's up direction. Oops. Up direction. I think it might be the wrong way around, so I might have to multiply this by -1. So we'll see. This might also just cause the character to spin around infinitely. Let's see what happens. So rotation is currently -1. Wait. Wait, what is actually the rotation here? Oh, that's the rotation of Y. Okay. So I need to figure this out. I hate quaternions, okay? Vector free Euler. I could do that maybe. I'm gonna test the look rotation. Okay. So it's first forward and upwards. Okay, so forward is gonna be currently forward, which is gonna be player position dot transform dot forward, I think, and then it's gonna be up direction. Oh, I'm not liking putting this here. We'll see what happens. It's probably gonna be not fine, but still, we'll see. You know, YOLO. Okay. And it's upside down. Look at that. So if I now try to move around. Okay. That actually is kind of fun. Okay. So, what happens if I change it during gameplay? That's the question. Save you. Okay, so this thing, let's put it into a something called, can I probably call it this from something else? So public void flip gravity. There we go. We're putting it in there. So that's gonna be the last thing we do in flip gravity. But what's the new gravity? All right, so I'm gonna have to, let's see. Do I have that already here? No. I'm gonna wait, can I? Spoilers on what my plan is, but you're going to see this live now when I'm creating this. Let's see, outline, Steam, and we are making it black. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. That's the toilet break one. I'm gonna mute myself. Oh, I'll be back in like a bit. I forgot to turn on the toilet break thing. Bro is shitting. Bro was shitting. I'm back. Oh, shit is back. Did I seriously walk away and turn off the toilet break sign? That is silly of me. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding some play controls. Yeah, shit happens. Very, very accurate. So let's call this new action M1. Let's just call it M1. And I'm binding it to mouse. That's left button. And let's just add M2 as well while we're at it. No. Okay, this is mouse, right button. There we go. And sprint. That's gonna be shift. Should it be specifically left shift maybe? Actually. Right, how do I, there we go, listen is there. Left shift, there we go, because I don't want people to be out here with weirdo hands touching right shift. Some mumbo jumbo type stuff. Let's save that. And let's just do this now. On M1 input. Perfect, it new void on let's say sprint input. I'm gonna have to just I'm gonna have to call it sprinting, because remember I had a thing where I called it both running and sprinting in some other one. That just got confusing. Let's see, there we go. You. And we're creating bools for this. Where are my other bools? There we go. Jump touched, what the fuck? Where did jump touch you? M1 pressed. M2 pressed, not M3. Sprint pressed. There we go. And we're gonna do the same here actually. Let's see, where did it go? There we go. Public bool M2 pressed. And oops. Yeah, let's make them. Let's make a little slight indent between these, so we know these are different. Same here. There we go. Rules for inputs. Yeah, sure. Yep. Whoa. Enter pressed, and there we go. So I did create the sprint one. Yeah, I did. Let's just open that up and walk. And You are the same, but you're called Sprint instead. Oop, there we go. And in the library, we're adding one more. We're calling this Sprint, and it's not gonna be walk. It's gonna be Sprint. Go. Public. Space state. Sprint. Yes, that's exactly correct. Let's see. Moving up there. So when we enter state, nothing for now. We're probably gonna have some like what's it called? Animations here, but not for now. Let's add a for now as well, because I'm gonna be changing this. I think Hectic might know the fuckery I'm gonna do with the sprinting and stuff. I'm not sure if you looked at the the awful things I produced. Let's see. Yeah, these are public anyways, so they don't have garden setters. I feel like there has to be a way to just make an interface, right? Not an interface, the actual interface, but so that I make these public, I can make them like, yeah. Actually, I'll look that up now. Assignable. Right, serialize field. Ah. Alright, so if I do this instead. Oh, it just knew. Thank you. Is it gonna do all of them now? Or how does this work? So if I make you private, I make all of them private. 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 Okay, it doesn't figure it out yet. Nope. Okay, this is gonna give me some errors because I am trying to call these with these names, but though I can't anymore. But let's just ignore that for now. Yeah, it gives me all of them. So if I add another, is it like if I have an? So if I add a product here now, private, float, speed, yeah, sure, speed, strength, why not? Let's just call it that. Is this gonna get added or not? It's not. But if I do this instead, okay, never mind. Maybe it isn't just, it's just not updating at all. Can I like? I'll figure it out. Let's remove speed strength. Okay, let's say that let's just make them public up down here, exactly. Public float walking speed. Yeah. Float. What the fuck is that? There we go. Sprint speed. Public float. Jump power. Yeah. Perfect. Should I make a... I feel like gravity strength is gonna get changed. 100%. I'll do that when I get there. Mouse sense. I already have these. Probably don't need mouse sensitivity, right? No. If I do, I'll just change that later. All right. Now let's see. Yeah, I'll have all of these ones. Okay. Fixed. Oops. Oops. Gravity strength and gravity strength and ooh, wait. This is gonna be annoying. Okay, so nope, that's the wrong button. Am I gonna be able to just do like I might have to do a public transform thing for all of them. I'm gonna do it below here, I think. Is this gonna be enough, or am I gonna have to do a bunch more? Set. Flip position equals. I don't think this is gonna work. Because you're gonna do this. Oh, is it working? Oh. Okay. Sure. Nice. I mean, we take those. I kind of assumed it was gonna want me to do a like position and rotation and stuff like that, but I guess it didn't. That's nice. Walking speed, base state, nothing here, nothing here. Okay. So let's see, sprint speed. We literally just changed this to sprint speed. There we go. Actually, let's be consistent and remove the ing there as well. Walk speed instead of walking speed, a lot less annoying. That's probably all of them, maybe? Let's just run it and check. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the entire... Oh well, I'll do that later. So, let's see here. Am I getting errors? Yeah, I'm getting errors. It's the ground check. Oh. swear to God if it's play position. Oh no. Well, on 9 as well. Is it gonna be? Oh, that's just calling it. If this is gonna be the problem, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Because I'll serialize it. I don't even know what the fuck serialize mean, I'm gonna be honest. Oh wait, is it just that it doesn't have anything here actually? Oh my god. Am I gonna... Oh, that's a lot of them. Wait, how do I serialize multiple field? Serialize field. Can I get like an example? No. Nice field unity example. Let's see. I just want example. Oh god, there's so much to read here. Fuck. What's serialized reference? Can I like do this? Okay. If I do like that and that. Okay, that's just not working. Maybe like that. No. Actually, maybe like that, but I instead do this instead. Let's see. Nah, that didn't work. I don't want to add serialized field type. I might just okay. For now, I'm just doing this. There we go. And later I'll look into if I can like just write it once and that's all of them. Alright, player position, that's that one. Yep, body rotation, that is that one. Camera rotation, that is that one. Capture collider, that's that one. Mouse sensitivity 10, walk speed 5, sprint speed, I don't know, 8. Let's do double 10. Jump power was like 5 or something, right? And graph was like, I don't know, 20, I think. Is this gonna work now? Pretty lovely if it did. Yeah. I'm not sure. Is this the issue maybe? I feel like I said earlier, I feel like I'm double dipping here. Okay. So first things first, I realize something here. I should just do this and that. Control X down there. There we go. Remove you. Second of all, what if I instead said this? No, wait. It's gonna be the same thing if I do this. Let's see. Direction dot x, and then I do do you have to do that? What if I don't do that? What if I just do this? This might break it. Actually, I'm not gonna touch this shit. There we go. It's more or less working for now. I'm just not gonna do anything. Okay, so first things first, let's just, oh wait, there's a debug somewhere. What was it doing? Hit position. Oh, it must be something here then. I don't want any debugs to run. There we go. Goodbye debug. Sprint. Yes, I gotta get in here somehow. If it's not active, go to idle. Should I just run both if statements? No, because then I can somehow enter both, right? Let's just do it else. Else visit machine. Dot sprint pressed because of walk and in walk. We'll do the same thing. Wait, let's do this instead. But the reverse. Sprint. Let's see if it works. Okay, so shift does for some reason change that square. I'm not sure why. That's the only thing it does. What? If state machine sprint press sprint in walk, right, and in sprint direction dot normalize type sprint sprint period. Oh, that would be it. Wait, there's a double dot there. What did I call it? Did I just call it sprint something? I call it, yeah, sprint. Dot started on sprint input. Dot sprint. Dot cancelled on sprint input. Perfect. But I want to keep it. I can't move this, right? Oh, I can. I want to have you there. Oh, I can't. Or can I? Oh, I can. Perfect. So I have jump, sprint, look. I want him to. Yep. Just move this one down. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's say we have it as a funny little power here. So when you press M1, yeah, so I'm not even gonna bother creating a thing for the bool right now because I'm just doing this as a test. Yeah, flip gravity. Public void get look direction. There we go. And this is gonna be a vector free. There we go. So it's basically just gonna be getting the camera forward, right? Return camera rotation dot forward dot normal. Yeah, that's it. And this also means that I can. Where was it? Rotate body. Yeah. It's gonna be better to call this instead of saying that. Okay, this is. Yeah, I'll just get that, I think. I feel like this is not enough for to have a method for it. Just to say return camera rotation dot forward dot normalized. Though maybe camera rotation is private. That does actually give me a reason to use it. Yeah, sure. Why not? On M1 input. Oh, I'm gonna actually. So. Okay, I'll track this. Flip gravity, and we're gonna want get look direction. There we go. Sure. Now, if I just Oh, I'll also double check if sprint works. Oh. Yep. So first thing first, I want to flip it to so down is where I'm going. Oh. Let's do that actually. Minus. Okay, so something is wrong here, I feel like. Oh. Yeah, it's just... Is it not correctly aligned? Might be actually. Oh, I also know something that's not... I'm not fixing the camera itself. So like... Because it's like tilted, but it's not tilted. I want to tilt the camera. How do I do that? That should be on gravity flip, I think. Not rotation. Oh. Should do the exact same and see if camera happens. Let's change this to camera position maybe. Camera rotation. I should maybe change it like camera transform or something. Because it is the transform. Okay, what happens if I do this? Huh? Okay, so something is fucked. Okay, something is very fucked. What if I still did this? Would this change anything? So it feels like it's being performed more than once somehow. First things first, let's no. Let's move this to M2, because I use M1 to focus the window. There we go. And let's also just write a debug.log here to check if I'm how often I'm updating this. So I'm not sure exactly. It might be that I'm updating it like every frame. I am not, okay. Okay, so it's a bit weird. Okay, I think I need to not do that. Dot up. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. No. Now it's going weird again. What the fuck's it doing this? It's not like actually picking the correct direction. Is it actually like switching direction? It is. Why? Is it hitting itself? No. Is the camera holder maybe? I should switch instead of the camera itself. Because the camera... Wait, if I just don't do anything. I just won't do anything. I can double check what that does. Another. Can I even rotate like a camera? Okay, let's just player cam. If I rotate, no, no, yeah. So that should be possible. Okay, let's just. Quickly just dox myself. Okay, so let's see, I'm changing the direction to this. I'm getting this direction from double check the code a second. Get look direction, and get look direction says camera rotation dot forward dot normalized. So the forward of the camera. Yeah, and the camera is like tilted up here. That is the forward. Now I want to align the player like this, which I am doing, I'm pretty sure. Let's just draw them here as well. So the camera needs to be aligned like that. Which means it is the perpendicular. Okay. But what if I get just like the forward? Let's see. Unity forward. Transform that forward. Oh, it's a normalized vector. Oh, so I can just like remove the normalized for all of my forwards. Okay, that makes sense. Let's just do that then. I got this as well. So according to Unity documentation, transform it forward as a normalized vector representing the blue axis of the transform in world space. The example below shows how to manipulate the game with blah blah. Okay. Move the key object with Okay, I'm just gonna straight up bookmark on this side, but okay. Let's go back to Photoshop. Think about it. So forward. I want to make this forward represent this forward, and I'm not understanding why. Wait, relative alignment camera forward. Okay, let's see. So the player is currently rotation 0, 0, 0, camera holder 0, 0, 0, and the rotation of the camera is whatever we're doing. But Z is not being rotated. So if I do this, oh wait, oh. Okay, I don't like that this is moving all the time, but oh well. Is the issue that I'm actually already rotating the player? Okay, I can't like the camera holder. Additional camera, that's good. I don't think any of this has to do with alignment. Yeah, let's not touch this. Let's not touch this. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the player camera. If I rotate it, okay, like that, and then I rotate this. Yeah. If I rotate this, yeah, as well. So this should be what's happening. Wait a second. Where am I setting? Rotate, set camera rotation. Camera rotation dot rotation equals turn the Euler mass station. Aha. That's the issue. Okay, let's test this first then. This might be just flipped. We'll see. This is one. No. So that's a 0 again. So Z should always be 0, but it isn't. It's like staying. You have to put a global instead. I don't think it's showing me. No, the position should be changing if it's global. It doesn't really change anything, does it? No. I'm more and more I'm just gonna. No, I don't wanna say that. I'm more and more starting to think that I should just move this outside into its own script and not have it in here. Because this thing isn't keeping it 0. That's the weird part. Okay, what do we do this? How do I get this? Rotation Z. Is it large Z maybe? Is that the change? Huh. It's affecting me quaternion. Oh wait, I know. Now I know. No. What if I do this instead? I need to do rotation equals I just want this fucking number to be 0 at all times. How do I do that? Okay. I feel like I'm doing the exact same thing here. This makes no sense to me. Like I'm just setting it to 0 again. Like, what is this? This shouldn't be correct. Let's just test it anyways. And if this isn't correct, oh my god. Right, something fucking wacky happens there. So, okay, that fucks it up even more. And do we need like a camera up or something? Wait, I want to do this like up direction dots forward doesn't work. Okay, this is gonna be weird. I think. Dot forward, and we're using the up direction, and we're only getting the center. Is this gonna work? Okay, it did not work. What is the forward? Wait, the forward. What does this thing do? Shorthand for writing vector 001. Okay, never mind then. Let's not use that. Didn't I do this earlier actually? What's gonna happen if I do this? I feel like I did this earlier. Okay, first things first. This works. This doesn't really work now, does it? Why is it not rotating? Oh, it is. Right, it is doing that. If I do this for funsies. For funsies. I feel like nothing's gonna happen. Yeah, nothing happens. There we go. This is future me's problem. I'm gonna work on setting on aligning it to the slope instead, because that's on my literal to-do list. I'll add a thing for tomorrow to create a separate script for the camera to align the camera. So I move all of the camera alignment out of this script. and put it onto the camera itself. Let's see, where was I now? I actually have like a YouTube video I kind of want to watch for this. Since it's it's called again, it's moving on slopes Unity. Yeah, let's pause music and yeah, this adds just speed past those.
How we can achieve player movement, including movement on slopes, using mathematical tools such as basis, vectors,
Okay.
as well as some vector arithmetic printers and play around with
Yeah,
and analyze for yourself. Theoretic part of the stick. Keep the joystick
Yes.
simultaneously. We end up going 50 if we don't normalize this vector of the current vector to use this motion. In order to do this, let's get the camera's current rotation and its current set places vector to map our original character. In order to do this, let's get the camera's current rotation and use its current z basis vector to map our original controller or keyboard base direction to our new camera defined direction. Since that's a lot of words, let's show what we mean visually. First off, what is a basis vector? Why it's scaled in some way. In this case, we can still use normalization to get the unit vector. When we rotate the object for whom these basis vectors belong to, in our case the camera, the basis vectors will change accordingly. From this animation, you might already be able to tell that this will be very useful to us.
I think this is gonna mess up any future flipping thing I'm gonna do, but oh well.
What we can do is grab the camera's z basis vector, or what it is more commonly known as the forward vector, and multiply this by our y input, which is, consequently, the direction we wish to move forwards. Then we can grab our camera's x vector, also known as the right that is pointing at our player.
This is what I'm already doing.
Giving us a y value. We can multiply our speed and bam! We have our basic movement. Then we can make the player look at the direction he's going so that he faces that direction. Most game engines have a look at function, and we can grab the current player position and add the direction he's moving to and use the up vector to rotate around. Now let's move on to player movement on a slope. In our game we probably want to make levels more interesting with if we move forward.
Yes.
I like to put this ray in the middle of the player. Using this ray and the ground's normal vector, we can apply a proper velocity vector which takes the slope into account. Here you can see the ray shot by the player in blue and the ground's normal ray in green. Thus, what we need to do is rotate our previous direction vector towards the new normal, using the angle that this normal vector makes with the up vector. However, how do we determine the vector we rotate around? When rotations of the reason by taking the cross product of our two vectors. The cross product gives us the vector which is at 90 degrees to both our vectors. Now, what if the angle is too steep? In this case, after calculating the angle between the up vector and the normal, we can simply say that this is not within our valid range and say that our player is not grounded, thus allowing him to fall. Like previously, we can now have our player face in the direction that he is moving. If you are skilled at this, you can also try using inverse kinematics to bend the legs instead. I have personally not attempted this yet, however, if someone has any good resources on implementing inverse kinematics properly, please do share them in the comments below. Now, we are going to look at the pseudocode to implement our slope movement. For inputs, we have the grounding ray attached to the player and the speed variable. There's raycast, but crossplayer might end results where he is falling downwards. And we will also
float speed, steep angle, usually radius, blah blah. Input axis, vector free camera axis, camera globe transform. This is x, input axis x, camera globe transform. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right here, right? That's it. That's the one. Oh, oops. Times 101. Oh yeah, I can do it. Vector P Redirection camera access. Is that what I'm doing as well? Yeah, right. Because I'm doing. They're doing the camera axis times 101, and that's the camera axis dot normalized is the direction, and I'm just doing a vector where I'm using the pre-align y, in case I am not going 0, I guess. Wait, is this actually something? Hold on. Is this something that's fucking us up? Let's just... I said I wasn't gonna do this, but let's just test a couple more things. Okay, observation not said instead. Okay, that's not fixing the... I think this is not setting gravity correctly at all. Like, what the fuck? And why is it changing live? So, like, huh? Oh well. That's for later. Let's just make it like that, just in case. Look, this is the important part. I'll just move it over to my other screen so I can just glance at there now and then. There we go. Alright. I need to get like something on the lines of like normal or something. Yeah, here around grounded makes sense. Private vector is ground is the normal. Yeah, it's vector free, right? Ground normal. Okay, and then we do okay, there we go. Ground. Okay, not transform upwards. Right, okay, let's draw some stuff now. Okay, how do I draw array again? Draw line. We're gonna start at not play controls. Player position dot perfect direction. No, wait, this is not gonna be smart. Wait, no, let's do this actually. Yeah. Active state dot direction. So I think this should be fine. Okay. It's not really doing anything. Oops. Base state. Yeah, direction is public. Okay. Let's also just write out what the direction is. Oh God. Active state direction, and that's gonna be active state dot direction. Perfect. So I think I'm just like not drawing it long enough and like not having the correct time on it to just disappear, so it's too short, so it doesn't actually draw it. That's my current guess. Okay, never mind. It's just not getting the direction, I guess. There we go. Oh wait, is it? Let's see. Bro, I got fucking Valorant movement something. Wait a second, I can see something here now. Oh my god, I just realized I'm not normalizing the... Okay, wait, so if I look down I don't move at all, and then if I look upwards, okay, that's an issue. Let's fix it right now. Right in this instance, let's see. Relative align, camera forward, camera rotation. Is it because I'm not normalizing it? Did it lie to me? Did you lie to me, Unity? Camera relative align. Okay. And where am I using this again? I'm using it like walk. State machine times camera element direction. Excellent. Okay, let's do it like this instead, actually. Okay, let's try that out for a second. I can't fucking do. I forgot to normalize it. Oh, that's still doing the exact same thing. What the fuck? Okay, so if I go in here, if I actually normalize these two, does it change it back? Because I do remember I removed the normalize on those because I didn't think I needed it, because it did say it did normalize them. Let's do a check again. Nope. Okay. So what am I actually doing here? I'm taking the forward, which is normalized. So I'm gonna move this again. That should be like fucking massive in it. It's because of this. Like this one is so large comparatively. Or something. Can't be, right? Can't be. Let's try normalizing this one. Let's see what happens. Dun, dun. I wonder how like loud. Okay. So now it's working. So that was. Oh yeah, that's. Huh? What? Why is this? What's the difference between walking? Sleep machine. Oops. Where the fuck am I? Help. I don't wanna touch this. Thank you. Okay. Walk and sprint. Very different. Direction not normalized. Okay. Oh yeah. Like that. Do I need to even do that? I'm not sure. What, is jumping broken now as well? It might be. Oh, okay. Yep. Yes, it is. Okay, so the issue earlier was that I normalized it. No, I shouldn't. Because I gotta pre-align that one, okay. So I need to send in a normalized version, right? Okay, so vert mount is a state machine, growth strength, blah blah blah. Direction plus state machine position equals machine. Wait a fucking second. Oh, no. We're gonna have to do the fucking extracting magnitude thing again. I do not want to do that. Oh well. Okay, so let's create a float and let's just call it direction magnitude. There we go, and we save it here. So direction dot magnitude. Okay, perfect. And we do that direction dot normalized and then 10 multiplied by direction magnitude. That might fix it. Let's see if it does. Oh. Okay. So is it always go in the same direction? Well, what the fuck was that? Okay, that's interesting. So if I'm looking this way and I'm holding west, W. Okay. Looking this way. Oh. Okay. Okay, do I just split it up like this? Wait, am I doing like 2 time lots? Okay, no, that's not what I'm doing. Okay, let's try this. Make it look the same for my own sanity. There we go. Yeah, that's not working at all. It's like... Okay. Oh, is it because I'm... No, I'm adding that, that's fine. Let's just debug.log. Let's call this post relative direction. Let's there we go. And this is pre-relative direction. Direction. Okay, let's just see what these values are. Just for funsies, you know. Okay. Okay, now I'm not moving with that. Whoa, what the fuck? Active. Wait, what? Oh, oops. Flashed my home screen. It seems to be the same, right? I'm just gonna go up there. Pre-relative direction. No, it's not. That's good at least. But it's just me updating every frame, even when I'm not supposed to be updating it. No, it's not okay. That's a lot of updates, I feel like. Let's see. One jump is like what? 1-2 seconds. That was like 5 seconds worth of updates. Post pre. Am I running it multiple times? What the fuck? Is it possible to see how many times I'm updating this thing? Let's just double check what virtual does. Okay, that should be correct. Word. All right. Wait, camera relative align. Let's just think of this again. Maybe no. I'm getting a vector here. And let's say it's a normal. No, let's pretend it's not normal. It's abnormal. Should we actually? What's the Y gonna be? I feel like it shouldn't be. It's not normalized. No way. This should be like should also make cam. Is this gonna change anything? It's not normalized anymore. I'm removing the direction magnitude thing, right? Right? This is gonna fuck up the walker sprint. Let's just quick look at them. Okay. Not normalized. Or should it be normalized here? Maybe it should. What's the old version here? If I could just go back a bunch. Walk, okay, this should go to sprint. Direction, dot normalized time, walk speed. Okay. Oh. That should be it. Nope, that's still doing that thing. And it's also doing this now. I've just broken it more than before. It's hilarious. Air. Okay. Direction. Multiplied by direction magnitude. Like that, maybe? I don't think it's gonna solve anything, if I'm gonna be honest. Do I need to normalize it after I've set? That's probably what I need to do, right? What the fuck happened there? Alright, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. I think what you'll need to do is this, bam, bam, cam forward, dot normalized. Oh wait. Maybe the camera as well, I'm not sure. I don't think so though. We're gonna start to become hungry, but I need to wait like 2 more hours at least till 8. Yeah, it seems fine, right? Okay, so now it's at least working. Wait, what? Just made it start going small. It is something fuck is going on there. Should do the same for the. I feel like I should be doing the same for this one. I'm not even thinking of the math anymore. I'm just kind of throwing stuff at the wall, seeing if it sticks. It just feels like I'm... Wait. I can see it better here, right? Am I actually... Is this fine? No, that happened again. Something weird happened there. It's because I'm not... It feels like I'm going slower now when I'm sprinting. What? And now I'm holding down sprint right now, and I'm going weirdly slow. Let me go sprint, and I'm fine. But it's because I'm sprinting like into something. No. Okay, so now I double pressed sprint. There's something about that. Sprint, end state, nothing here. Exit state, nothing. Walk, nothing, nothing. Okay, interesting. Lovely. I love it. If... Wait. Is that it? Was that it? If that was it, that's gonna be embarrassing. Yeah, I honestly think that was it. Yeah, probably was it. Alright, let's look at air now. Direction, blah blah blah. Direction is state magnitude, dot direction. Okay. What am I actually doing here? So, in this thing, I think my direction is equal to the current direction plus the vertical magnitude. That's kind of weird. That's weird already. That's weird already. That's really weird. Because what I want to do is... Wait. Let's do this, okay? Let's call it enter state direction. Since the thing I'm seeing here is basically... What is the direction? But if the direction isn't normalized here though, direction equals near vector statement, that should be fine, right? Because it's always being... Yeah, right. Ah, wait, here it is, I figured it out. So in here, I'm not setting it to that, I'm just changing it, so I'm just setting it there, and that's gonna fuck it up. Alright, figured out, perfect. So Let's do this instead. Like that. And like that, and like that. And let's just remove direction magnitude for now, and hope it's fine. I feel like I just broke everything and then reverted everything again just to fix it, which is always funny. Did it actually... Okay, I guess it did. Okay, let's double check. Yes, yes. This is working out. And also I can see the... Am I just not seeing it in the scene view or something? Yeah. Okay. So that's working out fine. Though it is kind of weird that I'm able to do this. Actually, should I maybe do this instead? So equals do this instead. Okay, like this. And then I remove this. No, I remove this. And I just say it's direction. Because now then I can't change direction with my mouse in the air. Because it feels a bit weird if I can't control my movement. Right? Okay. I mean, this has made it a bit more like that. Oh God, this feels... Okay. So if I just make it false, because I just looked at the debug ray thing. Documentation it's called. If I do that, is it gonna work? No, it's not. I'm gonna say 0.1 That's how long it's gonna be out for. Perfect. It's gonna look a bit weird, probably, but it's fine. Okay, wait, is it actually like 0 point? Start direction, color, duration, depth. So it's true instead. Is that what I need? Wait. I feel like I might have turned off the seeing rays in here or something, which would be weird and annoying. Because I can't see it here at all. And why is that? Okay. What is this? Now if hitting a bit, click the toggle see invisibility. If I... No, that's not... Okay, I gotta go to the talk again. I'm gonna go a quick talk break. My energy drink needs help. There we go. Okay, let's see here. What is this? Some of this animation play, blah blah blah. Hmm. Okay, let's just create a ray which definitely would be visible. So let's say like, oh, just like that. That's definitely visible. And then we see if the problem is the size of it. Actually, let's just remove these as well for now, because optimally I wouldn't be worrying about those. Okay, that's the ray right there. And it's not visible in the scene at all, so it has to be like some setting, right? I guess there it is. I'm looking in the direction of, oops. Yeah, no, nothing there. So it's the scene that's not looking at it. I forgot that. Let's change it again. No. Okay. So it's yeah, sure. I'll just leave with that. I'll have all of them toggled. All right, where were we? Let's just go back until it's. There we go. I'm not sure if I want yellow as the color. I mean, that'll be fine. I can see yellow. I can see it. So now we're getting a draw ray, play position to the direction of the active state. And I should probably do this as well in grounded. Update state. Direction equals. Is it like current substate? Yeah, like that. So I'm not doing anything with it here anyways. I'm just updating it so I can see it from here. Are you done? Hello? I didn't see it anything. Maybe it is done. Oh yeah. That would make sense. That would make sense. But actually that might be good. Actually, I'm just gonna make idle as well. Be enter state. Say that. Direction equals current superstate dot direction. Just so I'm keeping it. If I stop, I don't have to like continuously move around at all times, just to see the direction. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So now it saves the last time I had a direction. Okay. Oh. Wait. Can I? I don't wanna see that one. There we go. I've been seeing a bunch of different ways to have your like layout. Wait. Okay, this is definitely an issue. So right. Yeah, that's double. Okay, never mind. I can't do that. I can't do that. Actually, I'll remove one down with. Nah, I'll just remove it now. There we go. 'Cause then I won't keep that. So, instant issue. The direction here. But why can't I just do... Wait, why did I not do this again? I feel like I'm slowly going insane here. Why can I not... I'm gonna like look back at this VOD sometime. Probably not, let's be honest, but if I do, I'm gonna look back and I'm gonna see myself give an explanation of why I did this, and then I'm gonna just ignore it. And I'll come back here and be like, why did I do that? Okay, so double check again. The machine direction. Okay. Is that... I feel like I know this is gonna break it somehow. No, it's still fine. Huh. Why did I not do this earlier? Okay, another question is... No, I feel like I have to actually... When I'm aligning it to a slope, I need to get the relative direction I'm moving, because it's not helping me if I say I'm looking this way, I'm going forward. Like my alignment is... Okay, can I just point actually? No. Okay, I can't point to my screen. You see it's like going backwards, the alignment. So I can't be using it. I need to use the after alignment. Okay. Let's think about this. Okay. I wonder if stream can hear my music. I'm gonna raise the music in the stream. Yeah. The beats. Alright. Oh, whoops. Okay, so now we see that instead. Oh wait, is this... Oh, this is why, now I remember. Now I remember why. Because I couldn't turn. Wait, can I... What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Yeah, I didn't want to be able to turn. That's right. That's why. Funny me, funny me. So the question here now is, I guess, what is it gonna look like? I think the easiest thing to do is just to say that I will not be aligning it to any slopes when I'm in the air, right? Yeah, so... So this makes it really confused, because I'm double aligning it, but that's fine. Because the simple solution I have is in the machine here. we're not gonna have like a set alignment. Like we're just gonna do it exactly like we're doing here, where I won't be actively doing it in the air state anyways, so that's fine. Okay. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna... Did I ever do a camera relative alliance with camera rotation to body ground shift gravity? Okay, so I got here, right? I have the normal. I'm gonna oh yeah, that's what I was doing this from the start. I was gonna display the normal. Okay. Log dot... No, it's debug. Debug dot... draw ray? Draw line? Yeah, draw ray. And I'm just gonna copy this... zip. But I'm gonna change the color and I'm gonna change the direction. The direction is gonna be hit dot normal, and the color is gonna be, I don't know, green. Green, go. Okay. So I kind of want to make it hit hit dot point, and I'm gonna multiply this by like 5, so I can just by 2. So I can see it better. Oh, that's just perfectly within my little guy. Okay. Actually, I have not gone on any slopes yet. I can see, so I can still see it here. Let's see, that's a slope right there. So yeah, that's the normal of the slope. Yeah. Okay, let's make it free. Now the ground normal is that. But I'm gonna want... Am I gonna want the relative normal or not? Like if I'm... Wait, what is the normal relative? No, it's just not relative to anything. Yeah, I'm gonna want a normal that's relative to my direction. Not a normal. I'm gonna want an angle. What's the... Where's the YouTube video again? Cross product. Yeah. Okay, the cross product. Where is ground normal? There's ground normal. And I'm gonna say private vector free player ground cross. Let's do a public killer instead of just, you know. No, let's not. I can't bother. I'll do it later if I need it. Player ground cross. Let's see, ground check. Here's ground check. Oh, never mind. Player ground cross equals cross, right? I think this is the cross product. Yeah, cross product of 2 vectors. Left hand side and right hand side. Oh god. Uh, oh no. Okay, wait. I'll just do one and check. Ground normal and up direction. Let's see, and then we're drawing that as well. Let's just hit point, and let's draw that not from hit point but from the middle of my character again, because it's gonna be along the floor, right? That's the plan at least. Playground cross, and we're making this blue. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's not really. Let's flip them. Weapons, if I... Oh, maybe it's supposed to be negative up direction, because it's that. No, it shouldn't be. Right? Okay, this is not helping me at all. Okay. Playground cross. Instead of up direction, I'm doing this thing, right? Let's see. Let's see if this works out. Okay. So for some reason it's still not pointing. I feel like I don't know enough about cross product. See, no, actually this makes sense, and I feel like I'm dumb because of it. Like, wait a second. Okay, let's return to this thing I had here in the idle so I can see it easier. enter state, and we say that direction equals current super state, right? Dot direction. Yes, so I can more easily check things. I don't like how it's like whipping around. But is it like aligning to the slope though? I mean, kinda. But it's not... Is it doing it in the direction I'm looking? If I'm looking straight up. Straight up the slope. Oh, oh. Okay, let's see. No, it's not. Oh, am I doing it wrong? Have I not checked this actually? Well, this should be the correct way. Wait, should I actually align the... Okay, let's check this out. What if I... do that to this thing? What happens? Will it look in the direction? It's gonna be a good start at least. Yeah, it is. Okay, now it's very easy to see if it's actually doing it correctly. No. Wait, what? So it's... Huh? Yeah, I'm basically double lining it, aren't I? What if I instead do... Isn't that direction I used to... play position dot forward. Is that gonna be correct? So this is like the most annoying thing ever. Because I'm not very good at linear algebra. And that's kind of fucking me up. Okay, so now it's just... What? So the forward isn't actually... Wait, is it because this thing isn't rotating or something? No, it isn't. It's not rotating. It's just direction. Oh, that's very good to remember. Actually, I need to double check I'm not using the player position forefront thing. Yeah, I am. This is working though. Is this gonna change anything? Oh, okay, wait, what am I actually doing with this thing? Oh, wait, is this the flip gravity thing? No, oh, never mind, that's not the problem. That thing's fucked anyway. I should have just read the code. Imagine that. Alright, so ground check can't be using the forward of this. It should be using like the camera, right? Camera orientation and boom. Is this the wrong thing? It's rotation. Yes. Okay, I'll do this instead. Let's see. Okay, so first things first, this is an issue. I think that's... Oh. Oh wait, that's also the wrong... Wait, I'm actually... I think I might... Am I supposed to do this instead? Let's do this first of all. I just noticed my array isn't correct anyways. I guess this is just like making the size different. It's not really changing the angle. Maybe I was on the correct path earlier. Or maybe I'm not supposed to do this at all. I have another idea where I probably should just go for the direction again, but do the like upwards or something of the player's alignment. Wait. Isn't... Okay, this is kinda correct, except it's like flipped 90 degrees, right? So now it's... I think it's always pointing alongside the... Wait, if I must do this as well. What episode did that? I feel like I missed fucking shit up now in it. No, I don't think this is correct. It's so difficult to see what it's pointing to. Let's just do this again to do a little check here. Okay, now this is it does that. Don't I have like a body or something? Can't I use the rotation of the body? I'm gonna regret this, I feel like. Body rotation. Like that, maybe? Also, wait, I'm drawing rays here now. Can I just get, like... What is that gonna be? Is that gonna be as forward at all times? Okay, so I think I have the like rotation, kinda, but it's just 90 degrees off. That's at least a start. Actually, I shouldn't do this because there we go. I want to actually do the direction we're going in. Is it? What is the dot again? Oh, is it a float? Okay. What are the vector-free options? Let's see. Vector-free dot. Project on plane, maybe. Like, what the fuck is that there? Where did it go? Where did it go? Wait. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that would do it. Let's just create something new called a player or no. Private vector free. Yes, be in very direction. Descriptive, fuck it. Project vector onto another vector. I think I still should do this one, right? Alright, so now we have the play normal is going to be the second one. So hit dot normal is the second one. Oh well, I guess ground normal has to be consequential. Persistent, I mean, not consequential. I'm gonna be direction the this maybe. Let's see what happens. You know, have a little bit of fun. And then instead of this one, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna be calling the stream soon because I need to eat food and go for the walk. Play World of Warcraft. Okay. This does not feel entirely correct, but it feels a bit. Or is it? Well, that does feel kind of correct, right? So now it's aligning with the plane, I think. If I just do this, it's gonna be C, weird enough. Hit that point. There we go. That looks pretty exact to me. Yeah. And also if I'm like straight in. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, perfect. It's a great start then. I just gotta remember this for tomorrow. No, I did this. So this thing is kinda not that relevant, right? What are they actually doing with it? Okay. This is a little start. I'll have to look into this more. This is gonna take a while to fix, I think. But hey, that's better than nothing. It's yeah, 1 minute until 16, which is kind of what I'm saying. Started. Not started. Not planned. Okay. Another sprint. Basically it, I think, right? Yeah. I'm gonna say. Oh, yeah, you can't see that. Wait, stream ending. There we go. Yeah, I had the sprint. That wasn't planned. I think that's it for today. I had a. Okay, it was 3.5 hours, wasn't that much, but it's like 1 more hour than yesterday. Hopefully, I'll actually be streaming at 10 tomorrow in the morning. I had to wait for some people to fix my floor today, and I was doing some more with the setup for the stream, which I think is pretty good now. I'm saying that and I'm looking at my chat box and I realize it's not like aligned at all to the. Let's see if I. Like that maybe? Does that look good? Looks better? Yeah, it does look better. And that was how much? 18 pixels. I'm just gonna go to stream starting as well. There we go. So yeah, these are at least nice. Oh, and I don't have any scene. Should I do the fade? Yeah. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, this does. I guess it's a little bit less jarring. Yeah, sure. So. Oh, there's no music in this one, right? I don't think. Let's see if I go here. There's music. There's some music here. Okay, I have to add. I'll fix that before next stream, probably. Yep. I have my OBS over here, yeah. So that's why I'm looking over there all the time. Thanks to all of my friends who showed up, actually. Even if none of them are here right now, but still. Even just having it on like a second monitor actually helps a lot with the stats. I think at least, I'm not sure. But thank you for watching. Goodbye. Let's see. Stop.